how's it going? I am blessed with a very nice day today, so I'm going to take some of the white enamel paint we used for painting the sides and go ahead and touch up here just with the brush, clean it all up just so it looks a little bit nicer than what it does now. Shouldn't be too bad. Like I said, I'm going to wipe it down with some mineral spirits just to get all the gunk off that's up there, and then give it a quick once over, you know, rough it up a little bit, maybe with some sandpaper, and do that just so we don't have kind of that black adhesive look that's going on up there now. Okay, so we got it all done. It's drying up there right now. If I take you over to the side here, you can probably see it's got a nice shine to it. It's just covering up all that brown putty that was up there beforehand. It's the same paint we used down here as well. So I'll take you over to the other side of this. In addition, check out how this side looks. Obviously the sun is in our eyes, but hopefully we can see okay over here. We've covered up that nasty brown sealer that was there when we bought the bus, and I think it looks 10 times better and a lot newer. So a success for the day for sure. We'll keep working on things here and there, and you will get to see them as they happen.